Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Hey, now, hey, you don't get me on my bounty mood.
Yo, I'm come for interview.
Hold on, stop it. People for the water interview from leaders say moving. Oh my word.
Moving.
I'm not quite sure if you'll be a part of the team for the next game. Somebody can it now.
Okay, this is what I want you to do.
So Barlian versus Crane.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. You know the thing goes. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Yeah. So, guys, you know, today, you know, as I said, the journey continue. We have a game today. You know, I remember I told you that leader was our keeper. So today we have a game because the tournament they put off because our leader was missing. So today we have a game. So we're gonna like pay a tribute as well to him today. You know, so we have the ball is here, the boat is here, the waters and everything. So we got a game today. So I'm gonna get some footage, you know, while we're up there so you guys can see what is going on, you know. So just stay tuned, you know. I'm gonna take you on that journey, guys. So remember, thank you so much everyone that's helping us, you know, on the journey, you know, to find the leader. You know, we thank each and everyone that sent their condolences. You know, it's mean the world to us. You know, blessed love to you guys, and I thank you so much, you know, for helping us on that journey to recover his body. All the prayers and all the condolence and all the love, the phone calls, you know, it was well felt, and we thank you guys so much for the love and the support, you know. So blessed love. So we're gonna keep you posted. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're linking up the team members them as well, to the football team members, and go check the coach. We need to we're gonna bring his picture that will frame. There's a picture that framed for him as well too. We're gonna take it as well to the tribute. Here's person leader here again. This is leader. Oh, no leader.
Inside man.
Aga.
Laka kuna left.
Usama left. Minda?
Yes, supposed to fire. Laka kuna go.
I know, well, the sheriff shall get with him after 9:15 and 4:30 match. So
4 o'clock match?
4:30. So she don't want to up there from before match kick off.
Oh, never been enough for the
Yeah. Alright guys. Stammer! 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 Coach!
Yeah, mama. I said, I tell everybody for it.
The driver?
Yeah, man. Yeah, Gangula.
Wednesday.
Yeah, man. They can do on the front. Yeah, man. Right now. On the front right now. Right now.
Hey, picture.
They're in a room.
Well, we'll bring it to Sam, I come like you now watch the time though. You're not watching the time. Hey guys, I'm telling you, it's been painful. Like, literally, you know, after we found him, like it's the first time ever literally feel like that, you know, through the sight of taking him out the water, because this we never show on the camera when we take him out the water. One time we literally seen him. Hey, it's leader. Turn him around.
Hey, man.
Leader is coming to the match. So she leader there. So guys, you know, leader coming at the goal today, you know, he's gonna keep.
Yeah, man.
So he must stop out everything today. You know. You ready, Stammer?
Yes, man. I'm ready, man.
Oh, okay, you look like you're not ready, coach.
No, I'm ready, my brother. I'm ready.
I'm wait for yourself. Let me get the thing there, man, ready. Leader.
I think do the ups already.
I said you ready. Leader, today, you I see every ball will kick off our goal. Every ball will kick off our goal, leader, save them today. You hear me say? See him there, watch what I go on. Yes, guys, let me say, it was literally painful, you know, when time. It's painful, you know, when you find him, trust me. Still getting over it, still trying to, like, the night, it was so hard for me to sleep, to be honest. I couldn't sleep, because I keep on having these flashbacks. Pure flashbacks. Like each time I close my eyes, you know, walk, the lights keep on, you know, seeing him. Yes. So I must say, you know, like he was playing for bragging rights before, you know, playing leagues, you know. But it seems like this one now we're literally playing it for him. You know? Literally. You're gonna play this one for him. Leader is so close. We live right here next to the coach, and I live in the next lane, and you live right here. You know, so that's so close we literally are. You know? Leader, you ready? Should I have your keeper gloves on you? So you're ready. Yeah, so the competition, you know, is taking place up in Maryland. I know most of you probably heard about Maryland or know Maryland. Yeah, so that's where it's taking place. It's not an easy road, you know? Leader here. Watch over my shoulder. For a moment, I forgot, you know, just for a split second, like my mind kind of drift, and I forgot leader is behind me. So when I go and look around, I go see him. You see him there? I look over my shoulder. Yo, leader. So guys, don't mind the picture. The man is always smiling. Trust me, smiling and laughing. Right now, if leader stand up right next to it, a pure joke. And it's either we are troubling him or him have some joke or something going on. Like when it's match time, he's a man who is hyperactive. He's a bit loud right now. Just want to play ball. And imagine usually when I was going to match up with Maryland, leader always have to go take a wash off in the river first before the match start. Yeah, this was last season. Last season, every time leader go wash off in the river before the match start, you know. But it's only this season he never done that. You know, for this season he haven't done that. But last season, as we reach up here before a match, because we always reach early, like 20 minutes, half an hour before game kick off. And leader would take off him clothes quick, go down to the river, you know, and come back and go into the goal, you know. But this season, he haven't done that this season, you know. So, and this season he was keeping his best. This season he was really on form. This season he was literally on form, playing so good this season, to be honest, yeah. Right, so. Just stay tuned. Come on. Coach, you're late. Yeah, Coach, I've had him jersey. Coach jersey. Come, leader.
Yeah, we're not left, man.
Coach late, guys. You see Coach late. But we still a roll out with him. See me. Eh? Leader. Leader in the goal today, you know?
Nothing can pass.
Nothing can pass. Eh? It already catch by it, man. It's gone already.
Catch by it already.
Yeah.
Leader the goal today.
Hey, runner, come over here, sir.
I want to bring the gear again.
Yeah.
Get one?
Yeah. And name me what you
I'm going to come back. The man can't tell you me did now. It's wasted.
London. Tina one drop.
I wanna get.
In my vlog.
Food it. Una again. Una again. Jeff, you get?
Yeah, we get one. So mine type of maze. I'm not here when the keeper talk to him. But defense me.
Look at yeah?
Get one more.
Huh?
Get one more.
Enough now.
The general piece and that piece, I make it piece.
You're not taller piece.
You want to put it on the head?
Yeah.
Taller piece.
That one that
Look taller.
stretch is stretch. But that one is stretch more.
Let me see.
Yeah, put that your feet on. Yeah, man. Yeah, good, good.
Check. Yeah. See?
Careful.
That's my way.
Yeah, both.
You know say Godfather?
Good. Now, can you get your one already?
Yeah, my
Oh. Alright, good to you. Alright.
Blessings again in the last step up for big up, you know. So, yeah, just so big up again to everybody when they are. The thing start.
Okay, guys, so we're here at the football match now, you know, and so they're gonna, so we're here to get the tribute, you know.
Under the ball of them from Seaview, we all know him, he's a keeper, bad keeper. See me, I say, if you look up at top goal, you see him, you can go closer. Real friend in the Azteca, you see me, I dealing, and you want to joke for a friend. First time I know him coming at the Azteca and him say, yo, commentator, nobody up here can score for me. Just do him. You see me, I said, you confident and believe in himself. Watch a style, you know. You know, say them go up on a little trip. You see me, I say, and people enjoy themselves, that's like it's a little river. So the river like it come down and much if you save a girl as well, like a girl must have left in the water and river come down, sudden upon them. You know, anything could happen. You see me, I say, two of them wash up. Sad that's me, I tell you, say, watch her now, no. Them fight back the girl. At the same time, but, you know, evening or the other day. But we couldn't find back a virgin. So me I say it take about 16 to 17 days to find him back. You see me a daily? Me just show you Jarrus, because me said you dream somebody. Don't see you. You see me a daily, so. Me just tell you how it is. Me say dream must see a family member and tell him family member, say watch ya. You not gonna find me, you know. But me not go on the crowd, mama. So me I say, I'm not going on video. So, you know, say, somebody I going to find.
Evening, sir.
Yeah, evening.
So, Father God, what is as well as the rain come down, man. Because we can't find him. We are searched, people are searched, everybody are searched. Father God, so great that's. Him know say the family member want them youth for him for bury him. You see me a dealing, put him in nice car, he's a great youth. Some more rain come down on the river, come down back. And like it wash out the sun off and come like the dog, it cover up under some sun, you know? And I saw the dog float up back. And somebody see him, you see me a dealing. So I say condolence goes out to the family, you see me I say, don't in a save you cause rate the place and it's a great youth. Sorry for knowing the way I do this time. See me I say, I hate the girl family too. You see me on the link, so condolence goes out to. Yeah man, the two of them pastor man. So me just drop that song at the same time. For the idea we know say boy, life goes on here man. Anything that happen, it have just something we couldn't prevail. You see me on the link, so that song. Voila, from top.
Righteousness.
Righteousness.
Exalting nation.
Exalting nation.
But sin.
But sin.
Is a reproach unto any team.
Reproach unto any team.
For this team to be truly great.
For this team to be truly great.
Put God first.
Put God first.
Work as one.
Work as one.
And move forward in faith.
And move forward in faith.
1, 2, 3.
Hope united.
1, 2, 3.
Hope united.
1, 2, 3.
Hope united.
That is it.
So let's go and join your city. Don't know say, you look up on the whole team. So they're dealing. I don't know say, remember massive. Told you a big show. So let's go and join your city people. Don't know say, I'm just watching. So they're dealing. Wrap up the first round. Wrap up the first round. Same. Get to the next round.
One minute of silence.
Yeah, I think the national anthem.
Sit. again, me say good evening again to everybody we're there. Everyone who is here, represent in the sticker. This is the final matches of the first round. Coming next week. No, the suitcase right here. So from next week, if you lose, you go. This match is the first match of the day. Take a start. Full sky blue there. CUT green top. Black shots.
One Mr. Skyers,
Right there.
2 hours, I'm right it down already. I don't know how to bring some beer.
Boss, man, I left the side like I'm handbag.
Kino, no one much.
So big up to the referee. Biggs.
Bite back.
First match is on the way. First kick goes to the CVUT. Comes off with the shot off the game there.
Oh, you're not throwing the ball, Keely. Oh, you go for that, you're not throwing the ball. The ball you want pump. Throw the ball out, Mr. Sister.
Move now, Mr. Move the ball. That's machine. Over, Katie. Ready, Mr. Ready again. All right, my team, say it now.
Get a start. Comes wide.
My ball.
Some field.
Don't step it.
Roll out
Step it, can't cover when you move. Yeah, step it.
to the CVUT.
Step it. Can't cover when you go move.
Number 3, control there. Right on the line. Good stop from the Ghetto Star. Team way over on the wing there. Cut it inside. Good move. Lose it up back to the CVUT. Come back to the number 15. Good player. Don't go watch that one properly.
See my line, come line a little bit now. See my line,
Bungo goes long upfield. Good ball upfield there from keeper. Flicks it inside towards Wacky. Lose it up. Number 8. CVU with the ball. Backs it to the number 9. Comes back to the number 8. Wearing the captain armband today. Knocks it back downfield. CVU with a short goal kick there. Cuts it downfield. Control from the number 3. Good tackle there. Number 3 fired that one upfield, but the referee whistle already on the play there. Call back the move. Comes wide. CVU with the ball. Comes on top there. Lose it up. Number 9. Control properly. Move the ball through the middle there. Very comfortable. Ball now to the number 12. Cuts it wide. A shot there off the left foot, but good block there. Number 8 now with the ball. Still in the half of the CVU. Ball downfield back to the number 3. Cuts it inside there. Cool ball. Ball comes back upfield up to Little Blacks. Touch it inside there. Ball comes to Wacky. Back to the number 3. Good play also on the ball. Good tackle there. Referee said play on. Cuts it inside. Ball comes to the CVU team. Lose it up now. Get a star. Number 5 swings
ball long upfield.
Well done. That is it,
Long ball downfield. Chest ball upfield towards the number 10 Wacky. Lose it up. Ball comes to the number 3 Seaview. Possession of the football, who spreads it across. Ball there. Move on the right. Going towards the sea downfield. Long ball comes across. Control. Ball in the air. Sweet there from the number 9. Try to get it inside and tap. Good tackle there from Wacky. Now get around 2 player there. First they do a lot of work. Still the number 3. Swings it inside. A wicked play there from the number 3. What a move there. The player in the box there was a little bit too flat-footed.
Hey, you don't get me on my bounty mood.
Come for interview.
Hold on, stop it. People for the water interview from leaders say booming. Oh my word. Booming. I'm not quite sure if you'll be a part of the team for the next game. Somebody can it now.
Okay, this is what I want you to do.
So Barlian versus Crane.
Osh man. Now go bring you next time.
Alright. Yeah man, for real man. You come next time man. Nah, let's go.
Alright guys, so. Whoa. Hey guys,
yes,
I'm here to see Damari.
Yeah man, say it going
on. Damari a donation, you know? Yeah.
Let's start pack up it man.
Somebody come. I hear you.
Yeah, break up. You just understand, see.
Huh? Oh, go on, good day. Yeah. Hey, my go on, ready? You know that? Come on, Ray. Oh, go on. I'm going to relax.
I'm moving to just don't watch.
What happened to your foot?
When the person we dropped down the last time,
Yeah.
public. Never know, so my foot is infected, brother. My foot is catch water bump on the bottom.
Oh.
I just want to ask you, don't you see them wrap?
Oh, I'm in the bottom.
It's right on my knee, so. Water bump come on and bus. Turn out and sore. On the 2 foot there, man. Yeah, but the one I get better.
Oh, and the one I left now to get better.
I should. I couldn't adjust it. And sugar and pressure.
Oh.
We don't do no hatred. Hi, Grandpa. How you doing?
Yes, man. Play it, man. I'm going. Something again.
Yes, again, my shop.
I've been looking for you, Grandpa. Where you been?
Get a game.
You okay?
It's a way in the December that I come.
I'm the CJ, brother.
DJ? America,
I'm fixing that.
Yeah, pass.
What on them thing there?
Oh, I do.
No, I really go on now to work, man. That's why. But when him a work, him do some money, you see me? I mean, me do and show you, you know.
Oh, that's when them are up and running.
Yeah, man. But you should change my future, man.
When them walk up and down, you know. I have a donation here for you from Miss Mavis from the UK. Yeah, $9,000. Here for you from Mavis from the UK.
You know Mavis?
Yeah, Miss Mavis.
Miss Mavis, give thanks, you know, and I very appreciate it. God bless you. Your food basket, never everything. I very, very appreciate it and thanks and much love, Miss Mavis.
So count it, so it's 9. Mavis from the UK.
9,000. Thanks, Miss Mavis. I do really appreciate it.
Yeah. Well, cause we have some nurse as well to come Jamaica in November. But them are going to do some screening as well too. You know, where you can come and do checkups and everything. So we're going to have some nurse coming in the place and...
The wheelchair, you never did get one wheelchair.
Don't worry, man, you have a...
You get a wheelchair one here, see?
Oh, you get one? The blue one here? Okay. But...
The wheel never takes a wheel and the papa and the rubber.
You have a motor wanna come for you now? Yeah.
Really, I true.
Yeah, man.
Can move around.
Yeah, move around.
Charge it up and move around.
Yeah.
I love that.
So that one in our plane.
I just be at the night.
So let's roll by one right back.
Yeah.
Wheelchair now.
So keep your finger crossed, keep praying, you know. Soon and very soon, you know. As I said, the nurse them, you know. Sunrise team.
You don't want me to try, and I want to do one of them try. You know, everybody could have access to one of the machine them, sugar machine them.
Oh, for sugar.
Yeah.
I think them things that are there as well too, you know. Just see what are there, because a lot of stuff will come, you know.
Some sugar kind of alright thing.
Yeah.
They have to them go check it, they have 4. So I know to make it go lower than 4.
Lower than 4.
It's quite alright.
You got 2 and you got 2.
Knock me out, man. Nothing got 3 or 2, it knock you out. Nothing too low and nothing too high. Just the kind of normal. You know, so I get all the blood paper them and I say to the doctor today, if you take the doctor. But I know she got them say no, you know. We keep on take the insulin. I see the one when I say the blood pepper good with sugar thing. Hey, burn it out completely.
Yeah.
Nah, but just show me that take incense so me do I know. So to them ask them, she tell me so I know to take it, but sooner or later when them plan to take me off of the incident, and then sugar keep on schedule, they want to take me off of the graduation, take me off of the incident. So when them take me off of the incident, they start take the blood paper and nobody take the pill.
Yeah. So you end up with the soul of them?
Yeah, like pill. Yeah, but that burn out sugar
sickle cell and something like this.
Burn out thing.
So imagine when they get that motor wheelchair, they got all about the place now. You know, for inside of the house, they can just get your fresh air and just go and move around. Nobody not have to push you, you know. So that's something to keep your finger crossed, you know, all is well, you know. We have that very soon, you know. So, Omar.
Thanks, you know. What's your name again?
Good morning?
Yeah.
Mavis.
Give thanks again, Mavis. And big up all I know there. Dream team, one team.
Yeah, man. Alright, then so big up, eh?
Blade, man. Big up my blade, man. So,
hello. Miss you too. Long time down. Very long time.
As we were talking inside, but hello again.
Hello again. Miss you too.
Hello. But how has it been a long time again? It's been Saturday, right?
Yeah. It's a long time. I've been up and down, you know.
Yeah, I'm inside. I never came outdoors.
And I know you don't came out. I know you're always inside, right?
Yeah, that's true.
You don't come
always
outside.
watch all kids play, but it's okay.
How is your tablet?
Still inside charging.
Charging. How is school?
I did not go to school on Friday. I went to
Did not go to school?
No, I went to hospital.
Yeah.
People want to know if I born in what it's called, like the place you live. Yes, foreign.
Like in foreign?
Yeah.
They want to know if you're born in foreign?
Yeah.
If a foreign you're born, right? They're asking
We
me.
stay indoors.
They're gonna ask. Body cat, yeah. Everybody gonna ask if a foreign you're born, because through the way you should speak, the accent. It's like you were born in America.
USA?
USA. You're born in
USA always wear glasses. Anytime I went on YouTube and see Country Ball, the USA always have on sunglasses. Like, I'm wondering why. It's because he's just afraid of the sun. That's why.
Yeah, she sound like she born a foreign for true. When you hear the accent, you think she born a foreign. Nobody can.
Always have questions.
Always.
For people
Nah.
if they tell her something, she have something else to say.
Yeah.
Somebody else with state to come.
Yeah. You were born in the US?
No, I'm not born in USA. I'm born in Jamaica. Sometimes I look in comments and say, some people say, what country you guys live in? I said, Jamaica. And why are you asking with a sus face? A lot of people like my comment and say, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, she going good in school. I can imagine, you know. She can read, of course.
Look what I made.
She's very intelligent, trust me. Very. No. That's what them call your father for the year, you know, because trust me, you're doing a good job. Body cat? Where you say your father?
Correct and too wrong. Still studying.
Yeah. Okay. 90%. That's nice though. 4 correct. And it's 2 wrong. 4 out of 6. But that's good. That's above average. So that is good. That's way above average. Right? But you're aiming for 6, right? 6 out of 6. 100%.
Focus.
Trying.
You will get there.
That's what I'm doing.
You will get there though. You will get there for sure. Yeah.
But sometimes when I stumble upon stupid and cringe videos, sometimes I just don't understand why. So every time I go to this YouTuber called I Love DJ Max, he always explains about dumb YouTubers, and that's why I notice why. Because they're kids and they're cringe.
Oh, yeah,
Yuck. I don't like cringe kids because anytime they came online, they just type disgusting things and name their avatar disgusting things what I don't like.
So don't watch it then, right? Don't watch it. Just take it off straight away. She's very intelligent, trust me. I got a donation here for you. You know, I got a donation here for you.
Sometimes I have to wonder why these kids stay like this. Is it because of their parents?
Yeah. Okay, so this one is for Ben.
Vanny! I call her Vanny. That's a YouTuber who loves pink. And she's very cute. That's why I call Ben Vanny.
Yeah. So this donation is for Ben, you know. And this purse is from someone from Maryland. No name, but someone from... There's Ben. Hello, Ben.
Hello, look at the video. Hello.
High five. High five. So I got money for you. Yeah. So this is $7,000 here for Ben.
Thank you. Look at my video and tell him
Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So for the video, this is from let me see what they said. Someone from Maryland. That's all they said.
Who's Maryland?
I call them people
unknown.
Unknown.
Yeah.
What I put as unknown.
Yes. Yeah. They live in Maryland.
I don't know if miss or missed it. But thanks for what is in.
Yeah.
Donation here. Can't help her out. Because she there sit down more time we can't find the cheese.
Yeah.
Because this morning, I yesterday I can't do nothing. Because she never cry, she never see her.
Yes.
I need a 13 when take off for me for you see.
Yeah.
2 type of blood test and urine test.
So how is everything looking though with you?
Yeah man, everything alright man, stand up straight. At this you know, I was the problem you know.
Yeah.
And you see it? Straight. So you see this now, it's totally straight, it'll cry about this straight.
Okay.
See, I let them tell me.
Yeah.
So I have to work with them say right now.
I don't want to.
You see say other food
I found out my talent.
And it's straight now.
Yes.
So you see I want to know by she reach 15, 16, you say, I want to pull it together. Right now I got the book tonight again.
Yes, that's good.
So when I plan job, I'm pin there,
Yeah, guys, when the little boy asked.
And a nail right there, son. One tall nail, one boy.
Okay. So you have a pin right here so as well to one over there?
Yeah, up on the ankle. Over here, so. And the nail go straight down in, son.
Okay, so
chopping pan a heap, so. One cup thing.
Yeah.
The wire go straight down pan a knee.
Oh.
So, what am I say? I need to take them out. Because I don't want them cause permanent damage.
Yes. So when they take that out?
That's why I'm going to take the blood test to the now.
To see.
Back at children. A 2 blood test we take to them.
Yeah.
One man for UC, one for children. So when I get the result Monday, the 10th and next month I cry UC won't get them. The second and the next month I cry children and go get them.
Yeah, okay.
So make sure the panic mark that. We go take our X-ray now, is it?
Yeah.
So Tuesday I'll take the X-ray and bring it in Wednesday. I'm going to take out the pin them.
Yeah, because
sometimes
PNR?
PNR. She will pass and all the coach brush her.
Oh, and she feel it because she would the metal and
even if her sister beat her and she rub it, she jump. And yeah, so them will have the one there, them will have to rub it. Because it will push. You can't see them kind of cut it and rub it. Rub it down back. It will push out from the
Okay. Yeah. Okay then, so hopefully then, you know, the blood test, you know, come out in a way that's them okay.
But I say them want the potassium in our blood go up more.
Go up more, so they can remove it. So
we have to get a banana and tomato.
More.
Yeah, I feel like banana. So the doctor tell me up the stairs,
yeah.
children. So let's get the banana and tomato straight.
Okay. That's
we have to find 2 bananas and 3 tomatoes.
It's a build up our levels up.
Potassium in our blood, is it?
Alright then, that's good then. So yeah, that guys, so I'm saying progress is made. It is so the best one our blood levels to build up, you know, the more protein and the potassium to build up, so they can remove the metal from inside it. So at least now she's on recovery, you know. So with that finger crossed, you know, everything will be alright soon and very soon. You know, Father for you.
She'll come for a long way she'll come from.
Yeah, man.
I'm glad for the help everybody out there see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I see the progress of me. Is it, man?
Yeah, man, you've been trying, man. You've been trying. Alright, then you Lily.
Glad for you take me on road and if you don't take me on road, boy, you give me motivation.
Yeah, cool, man.
Strong motivation. You give me.
True, cool, man. And that would they, you know, for, you know, help each other.
Man, they give me a big motivation. I tell you, like, I'm sitting here, so I wonder.
Where the help come from?
Yeah. Understand me?
And the Almighty, man, you know.
Just saying you.
To give it all glories to the Almighty.
Man, I sit down every day and I wonder, man, stress myself, how this and how that. It's weird, man.
I remember we say the day are coming time we go through all of that. You know, you're going to say, Keenan, remember when time we just start and we are say you want to get the legs and look now, operation, everything going, so we're into the final stage right now. You know?
Glad to see you, man.
Cool, man. Alright, then you're Shannon?
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
My talent is to draw. Yeah, Dad always taught me drawing every single day.
Okay, good job. Such a good job, right? Good job. Ben, alright then, yeah? Bye. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, I can hear that, you know, I'm really grateful, you know, for all the... You're 10 now? Okay. So the dad is really grateful for all the support he's been getting, you know, from them times till now, to see where she's coming from, literally, you know, because I can see she's coming from a long way or she was, you know, before she got the operation, because you never know where the help was going to come from, you know, till one time, you know, we end up here and you guys that donated help out the situation, you know, make it where it is right now. We have to thank you so much for being a big part of this program. So guys, you know, thing goes already. Remember, please to like the program whenever you're watching. You know, don't forget to put the thumbs up. So blessed love to all 3T1 team.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.